Been here Shalam, Martin if you fuck and pussy if you name. Guru nation, no push up.
Get over here. What was that? I didn't know. Boom, 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 boom. Welcome back. Welcome back. Love and appreciation to every single one of you. I respect you. We love you. And we are going to review Shalam's song today. Well, it's a reaction. You see me? But I'm going to break it down too as well. So, I'm going to jump in it straight to Shalam bad song. Ready. Me hear it on TikTok. Big up Lando. Lando, you make you know what he song because he always that man come like him have one little satellite out there. Pick up his song them before the song them drop. And him can preview it. You see me? So, I'm going to jump in it right now. Like, comment, share, subscribe.
Yeah. Oh yeah. Shalam. Go with it.
Shalam.
No shit, no play business.
Shalam. Bombo clap.
Hey, move that. Let it big up, bro, man. Hey, bad push. Hey, no say. Yeah. Oh yeah.
Well, are there? How we make that really make it Shalam? Make a pull it up. I like how it start.
Yeah.
I like how it started.
Go with it. No shit, no play business. Hey, move that.
Like, comment, share, subscribe for me, please.
Let it big up, bro, man. Hey, bad push. Hey, no say. Yeah. Oh yeah.
Alright, so far, I like the rhythm. I like the intro. Shalam voice sound good, no homo. But the dog voice sound good, no homo. Please, no homo, please. Jamaicans, I know you guys.
Bad boss go there. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. In my roads there.
Shalam did something here. The intro make you feel like you want to hear the rest of the song. I'm sick and tired of telling this, and the intro is a significant part of the song. Please, just bear that in mind. If your intro sound good, we are going to sit back and we are going to listen, because we are going to say, well, if your intro sound so, I want to hear the fucking verse. You see me? So make you tell Shalam that right now. Shalam, big up for the intro bad.
Spear tongue go with alright. Been here Shalam, Martin if you fuck and pussy if you name. Guru nation, no push up.
Get over here. What was that? I didn't know boss enough in there.
Go with it.
Come again.
No shit, no play business.
Shalam.
Hey, move that. Let it big up, bro, man. Hey, bad push. Hey, no say. Yeah. Oh yeah.
Like, comment, share, subscribe for me now. Please.
Let it go with there. Bad boss go with there. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
That's. It look like Shalam about to fall with you now. I'm just saying. Please don't come at me. I'm just saying.
Spear tongue go with there. Alright. Been here Shalam, Martin if you fuck and pussy if you name. Guru nation, no push up on no hand. I made them a...
Hold on there. Somebody do something to Shalam. Shalam say, alright, then I'll go to the studio and come back out well bad. You hear Shalam say? Bat enough you fuck and pussy enough in him. You hear what I say?
Calling no bojo bantan. Hey, and Shalom, pants from my waist and me still. Spear tongue go with there. Been here Shalam, Martin if you fuck and pussy if you name. Guru nation, no push up on no hand. I made them a calling no bojo bantan.
Shalam, we love you. Don't whine me. Don't homo or this, whatever. We love you as a person. We love your music. That's a bold statement, Shalam. Who call it the new Buju Bantan, Shalam? Shalam, you know, say you're in trouble. Not time for you come down in a Shalam. But, you suck bad, you fuck!
Hey, and Shalom, Pants pa my waist and me still not go follow man. Run where a Gen Z we fuck out some bagger.
Pants pa my waist and me not go follow no bagger man. Run where a Gen Z we a swallow some bagger man. Make that sink in for a bit. Cause some of them boy wear them pants down on them body like some liquor. Youth. When a fish man. I don't need to stop it. Shalam, speak out.
And knock off.
What was that?
You see me up on batty boy and transmission. Oh yeah, yeah, yeah. Hey, go with that right there. Bad bush go with that right there. Oh yeah, yeah, yeah. Oh yeah, yeah, yeah.
This I get play a whole heap of dancing in me. I tell you that right now, you know. Alright.
In my rooms there right there. Spear tongue go with that right there. Alright. Watch out. Hey boy.
Like, comment, share, subscribe.
And I hear fi come down. You pour out a flask and I say the rum done. If fire light the place a burn down. His son at the father I come down. Babylon, you know we no fool. And all where you go on, you no can't stop with food. White collar.
Hold on there. Go back. Oh, come again, Shalam. 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 Come again.
Hey boy, and I hear fi come down. You pour out a flask and I say the rum done. If fire light the place a burn down. His son at the father I come down. Babylon.
Don't fuck with Shalam here. Don't fuck with Shalam. Shalam, I love this for you, youth.
No, we no fool. And all where you go on, you no can't stop with food. White collar crime pan the line, now we tool. Talk we attack, and we not take no cool. Yeah, yeah. Oh yeah, yeah, yeah. Hey, go with that right there. Bad bush go with that right there. Oh yeah, 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 yeah. Oh yeah, yeah, yeah.
Shalam! Come on, no.
In my rooms there right there. Spear tongue go with that right there. Alright. Been here, Shalam.
Batting off a cock, I'm posting off in them.
Go run nation, uno push up
Put up
on
no one.
I made them a call in no
Bojo
Bojo
Bantan.
Bantan. Hey.
Bumbo clot, I don't know. I know who Shalam is, man. Shalam! Come on, no.
And Shalom, pants pa my waist and me still not go follow
follow,
man.
man.
Run where a Gen Z we fuck out some bagger man. Knock off you see me up on batty boy and transmission. Oh yeah, yeah, yeah. Hey, go with that right there.
Bumbo clot, I don't need a dancer!
Bad bush go with that right there. Oh yeah, yeah, yeah. Oh yeah, yeah, yeah.
Get in! Get in! It's somebody a fuck!
Spear tongue go with that. Come on
now. Yo! Me not gonna lie to you, dog. I'm surprised. Based off of the song that Shalam used to drop, I was surprised. The come down now, it's like a gimmicks thing. To me, it was. Sorry, to me, it was. It might not be a gimmicks thing to Shalam. It's no disrespect. It's just that I found the song to be very comedic. Is it me? But, however, this is the one. Shalam, 10 out of 10. Flow, melody, creativity, rhyme, lyrics, everything. 10 out of 10. It's a simple delivery, but it's a 10 out of 10. And that's what we want. We want a simple delivery with good lyrics. And that's what you have. Simple delivery with good lyrics. And that's what we have. It give me a cartel masicka type of thing. I like it. I never compare him with cartel and masicka, so don't come at me. I said it give me a feeling of cartel and masicka. Simple delivery, clarity, lyrics. That's it. So anyway, if you guys have anything to say, please comment down below and let me know what you guys think. If you think Shalam did a good job, comment down below, let me know. Like, comment, share, subscribe, and we'll see you guys in the next one.